Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't noticed by the title, I'm doing my very first makeup video for my channel here, and I'm super excited. This is the look that I will be completing today. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I use in this video, please let me know. I'll try to link stuff below, but I'm also mentioning the products as I use them in the video. I'm really excited because you guys know that I want to, bring different things here to my channel, so you guys get to see a whole nother side of me outside of being a teacher. So this is just something that I like to do in my spare time. That's makeup, play with wigs and hair and all that crazy stuff. So, join my journey. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm waiting. So you guys should have definitely subscribed. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. I don't want you to miss anything because my channel is about to get a whole lot better and I'm super excited. And another thing is I bought a ring light. So the lighting in my video is definitely, better than what it was, and I'm really happy about that because I want to be able to put out these really great quality videos for you guys. I haven't put out videos in a minute because I got a little discouraged because I felt like, okay, I'm filming these videos, but I don't really like the quality, and I know if I don't like editing them, then I know you guys don't like looking at them. So I said, I'm not recording another video until I get a ring light. I got a ring light and your girl's back recording videos. So you can definitely expect a lot more videos from me. So again, make sure you subscribe, make sure that notification bell is on. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit this video with a big thumbs up. That way my videos can reach out to more people out there so that people can see the exciting / boring / whatever you want to call it aspects of my life. And I'm just really excited. So if you guys haven't noticed, I just really enjoy filming and editing and making these videos for you guys because I really love to talk to you guys in the comments. You guys definitely leave me a lot of comments, and I just enjoy conversating with you guys, and I haven't been able to do that lately because, as you know, the school year has started and I had to give a lot of my attention and time to that. So I'm going to stop talking here and I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy.